Dive into delicious the Mediterranean way. Hey everyone, Jamie here. Let's talk about the Mediterranean diet. It's not about restrictions. It's about delicious food that makes you feel amazing. Imagine vibrant veggies, juicy fruits, fresh fish, and a drizzle of glorious olive oil. This is the heart of the Mediterranean way of eating. It's simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Forget complicated diet plans. This is about enjoying real food, the way it's meant to be eaten. We're talking meals packed with nutrients, good fats, and tons of flavor. And guess what? It's not just good for your body, it's good for your soul too. Trust me, once you go Mediterranean, you won't go back. Right, let's raid the kitchen and see what we need. First things first, we need good quality extra virgin olive oil. This is your liquid gold, people. Next up, a rainbow of veggies. Think leafy greens, ripe tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and sweet bell peppers. Don't forget the onions and garlic, essential for maximum flavor. Now, let's talk protein. Fresh fish is your best friend here, but chicken and eggs are also on the menu. Beans and lentils are awesome too, packed with protein and fiber. And don't forget the whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are all winners. Finally, no Mediterranean pantry is complete without a good stock of herbs and spices. They add instant flavor and make everything taste incredible. Let's talk about olive oil, the heart and soul of Mediterranean cooking. This stuff is liquid gold, I'm telling you. Always go for extra virgin olive oil. It's the highest quality and has the most flavor. Use it for everything, drizzling over salads, roasting veggies, and even baking. A good glug of olive oil adds richness and depth to any dish. It's also packed with healthy fats that are good for your heart and brain. One of my favorite things to do is toast some crusty bread and drizzle it with olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Simple, delicious, and oh so Mediterranean. Veggie power, fresh, flavorful, and full of life. Veggies are the stars of the show in Mediterranean cuisine. We're talking vibrant colors, bold flavors, and endless possibilities. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, juicy tomatoes bursting with sweetness, crunchy cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. Don't forget the humble onion and garlic. They add so much depth of flavor to any dish. The key here is to keep it fresh and seasonal. Hit the local farmer's market and see what's in season. Get creative in the kitchen. Roast them, grill them, saute them, or enjoy them raw in salads. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the more veggies you eat, the better you'll feel. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that will keep you energized and glowing from within. Herbs and spices, your flavor shortcuts. Herbs and spices are your secret weapons in the kitchen. They add instant flavor and aroma to your dishes, making them sing. In the Mediterranean, we use them generously. Think fragrant oregano, earthy rosemary, fresh basil, and a pinch of chili flakes for a kick. Don't forget about mint. It's not just for desserts. It adds a lovely freshness to salads and savory dishes. My top tip, buy fresh herbs whenever possible. They have a more vibrant flavor and add a lovely touch to your dishes. Keep a small herb garden on your windowsill. It's easier than you think. And don't be afraid to experiment with different spice blends. A sprinkle of smoked paprika or a pinch of cumin can transform a simple dish into something truly special. Protein power. Lean, mean, and delicious. Protein is an essential part of any diet, and the Mediterranean diet is no exception. But instead of relying on heavy red meat, we opt for leaner, healthier options. Fresh fish is your best friend here. Think salmon, tuna, sea bass, or any other fish that takes your fancy. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your brain and heart. Chicken and eggs are great choices too. Just make sure they're free-range and ethically sourced. Don't forget about plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in soups, stews, salads, and so much more. Remember, it's all about balance. Enjoy a variety of protein sources throughout the week to keep things interesting and your body happy. Mediterranean magic. It's a lifestyle, not a diet. The Mediterranean way of eating is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. It's about slowing down, enjoying meals with loved ones, and savoring the simple pleasures of life. It's about connecting with the food you eat, knowing where it comes from, and appreciating the flavors of fresh, seasonal ingredients. Don't overthink it. Start by incorporating a few Mediterranean principles into your daily routine. Cook a simple meal with fresh ingredients. Savor a piece of fruit for dessert or enjoy a family meal together without distractions. Small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Trust me, once you experience the Mediterranean magic, you'll be hooked.